Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds. Today we're making fried chicken. Let go. So we got here a whole chicken cut up. We got 2 drumsticks. Gonna put that in the pan. 2 wings. Put that in the pan. 2 thighs. Put that in the pan. And then we're gonna cut these breasts up because these joints are massive. After you cut them, you're also gonna add them in the pan as well. The other reason we're cutting them up too is to make sure everything cooks at the same temp and cooks evenly, so you don't have one that's overcooked more than the other, if you know what I'm saying. I want to lay them all nice and evenly in the pan. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to brine it. So we're going to add some salt. Some black pepper. And some rosemary. You're going to flip the chicken around and do the same. Salt. Pepper and rosemary. And now we're going to massage it up and flip them back over. That you have massaged the chicken well, you're going to put it in the fridge. You're going to put it in the fridge now for 4 hours or overnight. It's your chicken. You decide. Now, after you let your chicken marinate and brine in the fridge for a couple hours, you're gonna take it out, set it on the countertop. I can't speak. You're gonna set it on the countertop, yes, and let it come up to room temp. And then while we're doing that, we're gonna make our stuff for the coating. Let's get it. In a bowl, you're gonna want to add some milk. Next, you're gonna add 2 large eggs. Look at the color of the yolk. Look how orange it is. That egg's from somebody's farm, literally. My roommate went to Jersey, and that is literally from his grandma's farm. Next, you're gonna want to add some hot sauce. I'm using Deli Girlies. She's an independent sauce maker. I'll link her in the bio. But yeah, this is Ghost and Chili. I'll add some of that in there. Now you whisk until some can't speak today. You're gonna whisk until it's homogeneous. Words. Science. In a separate place, you want to add some flour, which we're gonna season with some adobo, of course. Some black pepper. Rosemary, and now we tiny whisk it all together. Now it's time to coat the chicken. You gonna grab you one piece, toss it in that flour. Make sure you get everywhere. Shake off any excess. Gonna dip it in the egg mixture. Nice. And back to the flour. Once it's all nice and coated, you're gonna set it aside and do the next one. Next, you're gonna heat your pan up to about medium-high heat. You're gonna add some peanut oil. You can also use canola oil or vegetable oil. Just need an oil that's high in smoke point. While you're waiting for the oil to heat up, also preheat your oven to 325. We'll see why later. You want to heat your oil to about 300 and 350. And now we're going to add the chicken. I'm going to add the chicken in slowly. And let it fry. You don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I'm doing about 3 pieces at a time. When they get nice and golden brown, I'll just flip that joint. That one needs to be a little bit longer. When they're nice and golden brown, take it off and put it on a wire rack. And then we're going to put this in the oven to keep it warm and have it cook all the way through. Oh, mama. Once you're all fried up, take that into the 325 oven it goes for about 10 to 15 minutes. While you're waiting for the chicken to cook, we're gonna make some type of like sauce coating type thing. Add a bunch of cayenne pepper, some paprika, the rest of my garlic powder, some chili powder, some black pepper, a little bit of kosher salt, and of course the adobo. One more thing, we're also gonna add some brown sugar. Mine's a little dry. Forgot to mention, make sure you do this in a heat-proof bowl. And you're gonna see why, because we're gonna take some of that oil, put it in here, and now we're gonna whisk it. While the oil's still hot, you're gonna take this little spice mixture thing we did and coat the chicken. You're done coating the chicken, back into the oven it goes for another 10 to 15 minutes. When they start singing, it's time to take them out. It's about 10 minutes. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, now it's time for the taste test. That's good. That is Cheetalicious. I'll see y'all next time. And remember, this has been Cooking with Cheeds! Ay-ya! One more thing. This is the last episode of Cooking with Cheeds that's going to be on IG. It's been fun. We've had our laughs. We've made some good food. But yeah, I'm done with it. You want to know why? We're taking our talents to YouTube. Let's get it. The channel will be going live in a couple weeks, so make sure to look out for the notification on my channel. And yeah, we're going to YouTube. Deuces.